In this video, I will be comparing Perplexity AI and ChatGPT to help you decide which tool is right for your research and creative needs. I'll start by typing, "Why use Perplexity?" into the Google search bar. As the AI overview generates, I can see that Perplexity is an AI-powered answer engine that combines real-time web search with large language models to provide accurate, cited information. It offers reliable, real-time information without a knowledge cutoff, which makes it perfect for recent news and trends. It also acts as a deep research assistant by synthesizing information from multiple sources into a concise summary. I'm scrolling down now to see more features. It is model agnostic, letting me switch between models like GPT-4o or Claude 3.5. The workflow features, like collections in the Discover feed, make organizing research very efficient. Finally, the comparison shows that while Google is for direct answers, Perplexity excels at deep, accurate research. Now, let's see how ChatGPT compares. I'll type, "Why use ChatGPT?" into the search bar. This AI overview highlights how ChatGPT increases productivity by generating text, coding, and brainstorming ideas. It's a versatile assistant available 24/7. As I scroll, I see it's great for boosting efficiency in tasks like drafting emails or reports. It also helps with task handling and improved content quality. Further down, we see key use cases like programming, content creation, and managing daily tasks. It's a powerful tool for creative brainstorming and general support. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.